Welcome to BidBison, the automated tool that manages your Amazon-sponsored ads with AI. In this video, we'll walk you through signing up and connecting your Amazon account so you can start automating your ads in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Click the Start Free button to begin. Fill in your details to create your BidBison account. You'll receive a one-time password in your email. Enter it to verify your email address. This is also where we'll send your reports and updates going forward. That takes you to step 2. Select the first marketplace you'd like to connect with BidBison. On to step 3. If you're not already logged into Amazon Seller Central, log in first, then select your marketplace again to reach the API connection page. Here, we'll connect the Seller Central API. This lets BidBison pull in your product and sales data. Step 4. Now we'll connect the Sponsored Ads API, which links your ads account to the tool. Next, select the correct Sponsored Ads profile for your marketplace. You'll usually see just a few options here, sometimes only one. The connection takes a few minutes while BidBison creates a secure link with your Amazon account. Once you land on the dashboard, allow up to 12 hours for your data to arrive. We'll email you the moment everything is collected, and from there, you're all set to manage your ads with BidBison. Thanks for watching.